Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making a strawberry lemonade cake. So I'm just adding the strawberry cake mix in a bowl. Then I'm adding a cup of water, a half a cup of oil, and then I'll be adding 3 eggs. Now I'll be adding some vanilla extract. So now it's time to mix everything up really well. Okay, once that was done, I went ahead and cut up some strawberries. So now I'm just going to add them inside the mix and then mix everything up again. Okay, so now that everything is done, I just put some butter in a pan. Now I'm pouring the mix in the pan and then I'm going to be placing it in the oven. Okay, so once it was done, I'm just going to be adding some lemon frosting on top. And then I went ahead and cut up some more strawberries and some lemons. And I'll be placing them on top of the cake. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.